Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete YouTube channel. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to delete YouTube channel. So let's get started. So guys, to delete YouTube channel you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar YouTube. Click on second link. After that you can see account option at the top right corner of the page. So click on it. Now here you have to click on your channel. After that you can see here two options, customize channel or manage videos. So here you have to simply click on manage videos. Now in this option you can see the option of settings. So click on settings. Now in settings you can see the option of channel. So click on channel. Now in channel you have to simply click on advanced setting. Scroll down. In this option you can see the option of manage YouTube account. So click on manage YouTube account. Now in this taskbar you can see the option of advanced setting. So click on advanced settings. And here you can see the option of delete channel. So to delete channel simply click on delete channel. So to delete channel you have to simply give your password. And then simply click on next. So guys, here you can see two options. I want to hide my channel. I want to permanently delete my channel. So I am going to simply click on I want to permanently delete my channel. Check this box. This following will be permanently delete your channels. And after that simply click on delete my content. Now type here your email address. And simply click on delete my content. So guys, here you can see written your content is being deleted. So guys, here you can see we have deleted YouTube channel. So you can also delete YouTube channel by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.